Hello children, welcome to another module of computer science class. As you know, we are studying chapter 1 number system, and if you remember, last time we have started binary arithmetic. Yes, arithmetical operations can be performed on binary number systems also, like decimal number system. Mathematical operations means four mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division can be performed on binary number systems. So last time we have done two arithmetical operations: addition and subtraction of binary number. Now today we will study binary multiplication and binary division. So we'll start from binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is similar to the multiplication of decimal numbers. And the rules for binary multiplications are, here four rules I have mentioned. Children, you should know binary number system means here we are using only two digits, 0 and 1. So binary rules for multiplication also, we are using only these two digits. 0 into 0 will give 0, 0 into 1 will give 0, 1 into 0 will give 0, and 1 into 1 will give 1. These all are binary numbers. Now there is one example based on binary multiplication. So whenever we are doing any multiplication of two binary numbers, we have to keep in mind these rules of binary multiplications, what I told you just now. So in this example, we are going to multiply two binary numbers. One is 1001 and another binary number is 11. So first we will write these two numbers, 1001 multiplied by 11. So first we will multiply with first digit 1. So 1 1 ja 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, and 1 into 1 1. While multiplying two binary digits, please keep in mind children binary rules. Now another digit we will multiply with the first number. So 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, and 1 into 1 1. Now these two numbers which we have got after multiplication of two digits, we will add it now. So here 1 will come, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, and 1. So answer is 11011. So in this way children, two binary numbers 1001 and 11, and their multiplication is 11011. This is one example we have done. For verification of this question, you can convert given binary numbers into its equivalent decimal number and can find the result. Now we'll do one more example here. 111 multiply with 1 1. Okay, so first we will write both the numbers 111, and below this we will write 1 1. And now we will multiply first number with first digit of second number, that is 1. So 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, and 1 into 1 1. Now we'll multiply first binary number with the second digit of binary number. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. Now we will add these two numbers. So 1 will come as it is. 1 plus 1 1 0 1 0. So 0 1 carry over. So 1 plus 1, 1 0, 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. So again 1 will come here and 1 carry over here. 1 plus 1, 1 0. So 1 0 will come over here. So your answer is 1 0 1 0 1. So multiplication of given two binary numbers 1 1 1 and 1 1 is 1 0 1 0 1. Again, for the verification of this multiplication of binary numbers, you can convert each and every binary number into its equivalent decimal number and can find the results. Now we'll move to binary division. Binary division is also similar to the division of decimal numbers. Okay. So we'll take one example over here. Divide 1101 by 10. Both are binary number and we have to divide 1101 by 10. So we will write 1101 and then division sign and then 10. So first we will divide 11 with 10. So it will go one time, 10 1 ja 10, 11 minus 10. So remainder is 1. Here nothing will remain. We'll take borrow. 0 will come over here. Now this 10 divided by 10. So 10 1 ja 10. So 10 minus 10 will give 0 0 here. Now we will borrow another number. Now only 1 is left. So we have taken 1, but 1 is not divided by 10. So in quotient we will write 1 extra 0 and will stop this process. So in this division part 110 is your answer as quotient, 1 is remainder. So the given two binary numbers 1101 and it was divided by 10 and in its answer we are getting quotient as 110 and remainder as 1. So children, this is another example of binary division and we have seen the two examples of binary multiplication. So please remember this process to multiply or divide any two binary numbers. Now children, I have given you one self-assessment exercise. You can note down these questions and then practice at home. First, multiple choice questions. In binary multiplication, 1 into 1 equals to, the options are 2, 8 and 1. Please note down these questions, everyone. Next question, write true or false. Number 1, the decimal number system consists of 10 digits. Number 2, 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And third one, the hexadecimal number system has the base 16. Now question number 3, solve the following. Here I have given one example for binary multiplication and binary division. First one, 1101 multiplied by 101. And second one, 1100,111 divided by 111. So children, solve this exercise and practice at home. Thank you.